hope everybody's doing well. Today I'm going to do an infill tutorial on my acrylic nails, and we are going to do a spring themed nail set. So I'm super excited. The first thing that I did, I'm showing you guys all the colors that I'm going to be using here. First thing that I did is I filed down my previous nail set to an extra thin layer using a coarse nail bit. I went pretty fast on the drill and I just basically got it down to a pretty thin layer. Then I dehydrated my nails with some rubbing alcohol and I applied some Light Elegance tack as my primer. You apply a thin layer of that and then it cures in your lamp for 30 seconds. And then I did try a new technique today, you guys. I applied a base gel underneath my nails before I applied my acrylic, and I have to say, you guys, this helped with adhesion so much. I highly recommend doing this. You do not wipe off the inhibition layer, and it worked really well for me. So here I'm going in. This is a beautiful color by doubledipstore.com. These are 2-in-1 powders. They can be used as dip powders and acrylic powders, and this is a beautiful, really pretty lilac color. I absolutely love it. So I just applied a little bit onto the nail and then I'm patting it into place, making sure I'm covering the entirety of the nail. I am using Kupa odorless with a little bit of acetone as always, and I'm just continuing on with this nail. I'm going to do a really pretty ombre, so I'm just feathering down a little bit of this color to make my ombre transition easier. I'm going to be using a really pretty, it's like a semi-transparent purple iridescent super fine glitter, and it's really pretty, and I'm going to be using that to do the ombre. I absolutely love this color. It is gorgeous. So I'm doing that. I'm putting it on my nail, pushing it into the cuticle area with the tip of my brush but not touching. And then to do the ombre, I'm just feathering it towards the middle of the nail, and you can always swipe off the top area of the nail if you feel that the ombre went down too far. So now I'm using this beautiful pink, hot pink color, perfect for spring. I'm super excited for spring. It is a beautiful time of year, and these nails just screamed spring to me. So this is a really beautiful Barbie hot pink magenta color. It does marble just a little bit, but as I worked it into the nail, the marbling went away. This is a Royalty Nail Supply acrylic. I really like their acrylics. If you guys have not tried them out, wait until they have sales. They have sales pretty often if you get on their email list, and you can get them for like 40% off, 30% off. So they come to like $9 or $6, and they're awesome. I highly recommend them. They work great. Universal acrylic powder, so I highly recommend these. And you guys can see how beautiful this pink is. I'm just making sure that I'm covering the entirety of the nail, patting the acrylic as necessary, and then I'm going to fade that tip area towards the nail bed because I am going to be going in with an ombre. And the ombre color I chose, you guys, is from Model 1s. It is a gorgeous, like, I don't even know how to explain it. I wish Model 1s had names to their acrylics, but honestly I think their acrylics are really awesome, super affordable. But to be honest, like, you can get some acrylics for $6 anyway, like these Royalty Nail Supplies when they go on sale, Dynamic Nail Supplies. So don't only stick to the cheaper brands. Some of the more high-end brands always have sales and stuff like that, so you can definitely score the higher end brands for the same price. So here's that trick I was telling you guys. I wasn't exactly satisfied with the ombre, so I wiped off the area towards the tip where the hot pink color is, wiped off my brush, and then the acrylic on the bottom was still wet, so I could still get that ombre transition. I just wiped off so that the pink would show through more. But I really did enjoy this color by Model 1s. It's like, I don't know if it comes off on camera, but it has like micro shimmers in there, so it's really pretty. And then I'm using this gorgeous hot pink. It shines like hot pink, orange, and light blue. These are mylar flakes. And this is what I love about odorless. Like, you still have time after you finished one nail to go back to the other nail and add something if you forgot. So I'm just pushing this gorgeous mylar flakes kind of like in a swooshy motion on the 2 ombre nails. And let me tell you, this mylar with the pink and the purple, it was so gorgeous. It's like a hot pink mylar. I love mylar, but I hate when the mylar is like yellow hued, and this one is not. It is so pretty. So I did go in with his JC Beauty Concepts for the French. I'm so sorry I did not get that on camera. I thought I was recording, but it wasn't. So I'm sorry about that. Now I'm going in with this white color. I believe this one is from Valentino. It is super white. And what I'm doing is I'm using the tip of my brush. I always find this the hardest part. So I pick up a really small bead. I go with the tip of my brush and I start on the corners of the French. I find that's the hardest part, and that's the part that, like, if you do not fill it in completely when you go to file, it's really obvious and it doesn't look good as a French. So I like to focus a lot and put a lot of product on the sides first, and then I go in on the top. And then I'm going in with this beautiful acrylic here. This is from A&G Nail Supplies. It is the Princesita acrylic line. They have a bunch of Mexican and really affordable acrylics that are totally awesome. So I highly recommend you guys check out A&G Nail Supply. Yeah, so that's where I got this from. It came in a pack with a bunch of really pretty acrylics. The acrylics are small, but I only use a little bit, so it works out perfect. This is like a magenta-y, really beautiful, medium-sized glitter. So absolutely love that. And then this is from Secret Nail Affair. This is a pre-mixed acrylic. So these are like super spring and so cute, you guys. So there's like purple hearts, there's light pink hearts, there's stars, and it's all like light purple, light pinks, light oranges. So perfect for the spring. I love this glitter mix. The only thing is I wish that their glitter mixes weren't as concentrated with glitters, the acrylic glitter mixes, because it's kind of hard to pick up, but you can always just add some clear in there. So I kind of wanted this to be faded a little bit with the white, so like some of the glitter shine through, some don't. So that's what I did there. I just added a little bit of white on the side and kind of washed it over the glitters. Excuse me, I really enjoyed the look that it gave it, but these nails are so spring, you guys, and so cute. I love spring colors. I love pastel colors. Those are my favorite. So that is exactly what these nails are. And these glitters, you guys, this glitter acrylic is so cute. But don't feel like you have to go and get the Secret Nail Affair acrylic. I saw tons of glitter mixes like this on AliExpress and Shein. So just go get that, super affordable, and then you can mix your own clear acrylic in there and you're done. Super easy. So this is the Kupa Rapid Clear Acrylic, and if you guys have not tried this, what are you doing? It is so much cheaper than any acrylic you are going to find, and it's amazing. If you don't want the Rapid, they also have the regular set, and let me tell you, this monomer that I use is odorless, right? And this was still rapid. I mean, it dried quick. I had to go in there and move fast because this dried fast. So that is saying a lot, using an odorless monomer. If you guys want regular, go ahead and get the regular. This jar is huge, and with 40% off, only cost me $30. So wait for their sales and get it. It's way worth your money. So I'm so sorry I'm out of frame here, you guys, but I am just encapsulating all of my nails. You want to make sure, especially those colored nails and the glitter nails, that you encapsulate really well. It's better to over encapsulate. Your nails might look a little chunky, but if you under encapsulate and then you go to file, you're going to file it all off and then you have to go start again. So I like to make sure that I cover everything super well, so that when I file, nothing will come off. Also, another thing, you guys, before you file your nails, especially when you're using odorless, for some reason, I think this is supposed to have a tacky layer, this monomer, but it doesn't for me. It just doesn't. I don't know if it's because I use acetone in there, but it just doesn't. And by the time I'm finished with the clear, I am ready to file my first nail. And then by the time I get to my pinky, it's ready. So it works for me. It takes me about 20 minutes to do each hand. So yeah, that works perfectly for me. I love the way that these nails turned out, you guys. They are super spring inspired, gorgeous pastel colors with glitters. And again, this was an infill. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Stay tuned towards the end to see the final result. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.